Today I got to review something that we are not used to associate with Ezviz, cameras mostly manufacturer, and that is a smart block under a T31 product code that comes in 3 versions for US, UK and Europe, and that's the one I have. The difference lies well in only the exact plus construction. And if that is what I think it is, we will quickly review this one, see what is it capable of, answer the question, why do you actually need it, activate and test it out practically. And of course, you can get it on the Pipl System Store website within a worldwide delivery. Just specify you're subscribed to get your special offer. I'm Daniel, breaking in.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Basically, a device that lets you control your appliances' energy consumption remotely. And well, to be aware of how much energy does some specific appliance connected to a current via this block consumes, and how much does that cost you eventually in the end of the month. And what you're actually getting with this Ezviz plug device is the electricity consumption statistics and an option to power it on and off remotely from a phone app and by a preset schedule. Like you're leaving your home in the morning, let's say 8 a.m. and the appliances you don't need while you're absent are turning off automatically by a schedule. And you can also use this physical buttons on body. And well, it's all about automation, smart home, Internet of Things, so quite simple device. And by the way, you'll find 2 buttons on the body with their own LED above them, the power button and the connection ones. Now let me power it on so you see how are they lighting, and there you see the lightning, and their brightness is fully adjustable in the app, and it is also compatible with the Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. The supported output is 4000 watts with the voltage of 250 volts maximum, and the insides are made from flame retardant material. Thus, we ain't afraid of overloads and power surges that can kill our devices. And that level covers like every home appliance out there. And now let's test it. So as you can see, I got here 3 appliances. Well, basically that is my phone, that is the Ezviz LED lamp, and that is the Ezviz LC1 fluid light camera that requires from 110 to 240 voltage. And my phone charger that actually is 5 volts, 1 AMP. So I want to show you the lowest, the mid level and the highest level energy consumption, and how does it shows us the load levels real time. So first up, I have my Ezviz app. Yeah, create an account in there, get it for free from the App Store, Google Play, and you go to the screen with the Add Device button. And I got the QR code right here on the back of it. As you can see, CS T31 device is powered on. Now we're gonna make our indicator flash with blue. So just press the power button and press the Wi-Fi, and it should be flashing with blue slowly, and it does. I hope it does. All right, I'm low on my allocation, and now I'm gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. Connecting to a Wi-Fi. Unable to join. All right. Sometimes it gives this kind of errors. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into the settings, go into the Wi-Fi. And from here, we're gonna press this button. So it should create its own spot. Yeah, maybe even hold it 1 or 2 times, and there you go, there you go. And now we'll connect to it manually. Yeah, no, right. We are ready. Indicator flashes blue, join, connecting to Wi-Fi, and it should be great. Network connection is not available. Amazing. I know what's going on. But honestly, I've tested this one already, and yeah, that's the only error that it gives sometimes. But there we go, it configures a Wi-Fi connection, and that would show us from 0 to 100 percentage, but it actually goes faster. Well, honestly. Obviously, you can see this phone right here now, so, and I don't need to show it to there. All right, so device is connected. View the device, and there we are. So it says it's turned on. Now let's test it. So I want my phone charger, and there we are. We are charging. And if we will turn it off, disable, closing, completed. And there you go. So yeah, remotely, you got this button. So this is actually the intent of this thing. And also, now let's turn it on. And I'm going to show you a few things. We'll go into the settings of this thing. And here we also can see a switch lock, which is cool. And the indicator brightness. And it's quite bright right now, but let me change it to high. Yeah. And let me go for off. Let me turn it off. I mean, for a night, you probably want to switch it off. And you can also schedule this too. All right, but let's set it to medium for now. All right. Also, yeah, here we can, there's no more things we can. Oh, timer, task. Yeah, timer. I'm going to show you what is this and how to use these schedules right now. Now I want to go into here, and here I got my statistics. Here I got the main button, here I got the statistics, and there we go. 721 Watt, which is a bit weird because this charging brick outputs as maximum as 5 volts and 1 amp, which is 5 watts. But anyways, it shows, yeah. And we can create a countdown. So we'll turn off anytime we need. So we do it like this, and well, the back. Yeah, so it can be however hours you want. There we go. This is the countdown, and of course a schedules, and of course a timer. So you can create a timer for every day of the week that will be continuous, and we can create a start time. Yeah, we can set it, and of course the end time will turn on. I mean, like, yeah, in the morning you go off home in the 8 a.m. and let's say in 8:01 it turns off. Yeah, and let's say you're normally getting back home, like let's say 8 p.m. let it be, and you set it to in 7:30 turn everything on. So when you come home, you got everything turned on, but when you gone, everything's turned off. So this is a great feature. This is awesome. And here we got a statistics. Can be displayed by time, day, and month. A month. All right. Don't see it exactly, but I can see it here, and update. Now let's connect a few more devices. So I'm unplugging my phone. I don't need this anymore, but I need this. And there we go. I see it lost. Yeah, you see current power is lost. It also shows me a runtime. And now let's see how much does this lamp consumes. 3, 4, even 2 times less than my phone does. If I went under a 4 watt. Okay, so it's pretty much energy saving lamp, kind of. And the monster. And here is the Ezviz LC1 connected through this. Well, you see, this is the one I've made from. Here's how I connected it. And, well, let's plug it. There we go. It's bright as hell. All right, because there's a floodlight that could give about 2500 lumens, which is fantastic. And, of course, there's a IR. Oh, and there's the current power. So it's 37 watt. 37.5. Right. And this is how we do. This is how we are going. So yeah, timer, countdown, disable, enable. Let's just switch it off. Okay, let it be. So this is what it actually is. And now, well, let's sum it up. A very tiny device that lets you control your appliances' power status and energy consumption remotely. Lets you switch on and off your connected device via this plug devices and displays which appliance overloads the power source and consumes too much energy. Automation, smart home, Internet of Things, increased life comfort, and a money-saving are the concepts to associate with the Ezviz plug. And I think it's a big plus of if you are already Ezviz device user, as it'll be convenient to control all of your appliances from one app. So get it officially along with any Ezviz camera on the Pipl System Store website within the worldwide delivery for you, and specify you're subscribed to get your special offer. Thank you for watching. Your protection and your knowing of your surroundings are the main goals in the Pipl Systems.